So I am in need of just a little bit of help. So I've been taking my locks out and going through this transformation here, and this is what I'm getting so far, and it's a whole lot of it. I've been doing one lock at a time, in which you can see I started off with 105 locks. I'm now at, I believe, 53 locks left, and it takes, for each lock, I'm just kind of giving you a picture of what I have left here. It's about 53. For each lock, it takes about an hour, pretty much an hour. Sometimes I can get away with doing it in maybe 40-45 minutes per lock. But I found that taking them out with conditioner and this other Jamaican lock remover I was using, it was taking a lot of my hair out. I mean, I'm talking chunks and chunks of hair, where in the back you can see the difference where I was losing more hair on this side versus on this side when I changed and I started using this. Let me show you what I've been using. I've been using this, Talia Waajid. So it's not necessarily used for lock removal, but another lady at the beauty supply store recommended that because she took her locks out with it. So I'm just kind of, I'm not trying to do a promotion or anything like that, but just letting you know that this is the real deal here, taking out locks one by one and hardly losing any hair in the process of doing it. And it's strong. It's really strong. It's lengthy. It's not weak. And it looks, sometimes when you take them out, it looks like they're really weak at the ends. Of course, I need to clip my ends at some point, maybe an inch or two. But this has been a real process. And I just wanted to share that because I know a lot of people are like wondering, what's this transformation she's been talking about that she's going through? And when is she taking her locks out? I actually been taking them out. You just didn't notice. I've been pinning my hair up. So in like one of the last videos you saw was with my son at his swim meet. And maybe not even an hour ago, my hair was pinned up. But by the time I got home, the snow that was coming down in Laurel, Maryland, frizzed my hair out. And I'm, you know, in that natural state, I have no clue what I'm going to do with my hair. But in a natural state, your hair just does not hold up in the rain and the mist and so forth. So in the meantime, if any of my friends or family feel for me at this point and want to come and help take a lock out, I mean, just even one lock for just an hour, I would so appreciate it. So at any rate, I want to share my shirt here as well. It says love more, it's free. I don't know if you can see that. And then it has a tag right here, you know, and the tag says Jesus paid the price, which is 0. So if you just love more, you don't have to pay anything for it. That's by my girlfriend Javay Giles. Look her up. She has a lot more of these t-shirts to give away, or not actually like hand them out giveaway. They do cost a little bit, but it's for a good cause. So look her up on Facebook. But thanks guys, I just wanted to share that and send some love to everybody. Love you guys, bye.